In a tragic incident in the Bronx, a car wash employee lost his life after being hit by a drunk driver on Sunday morning. The suspect's vehicle crashed into the car being cleaned by the victim, who was identified as a 55-year-old man working at Speedway on Webster Avenue. Security footage of the incident showed the victim wiping down the car just seconds after it came out of the wash when the suspect's car came barreling down the bus lane, crushing him between the two cars. The force of the impact caused the cleaned car to move forward in a different direction. Another worker from Speedway was also injured in the collision and is currently receiving medical attention at the hospital. The police were searching for two women accused of fleeing the scene after the crash. This tragic incident highlights the dangers of driving under the influence and the importance of responsible driving. Our thoughts go out to the victim's family and loved ones during this difficult time. Let's all make an effort to ensure that our roads are safe for everyone.